In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Disney Plus app on Android. We're keeping this simple, safe, and straightforward by using the Google Play Store, which is the official place to get apps on Android. This ensures you're downloading the genuine Disney Plus app, keeping your device secure and the experience smooth. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's the icon with the colorful play triangle. If you have a lot of apps, you can use your device's search to find Play Store quickly. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Disney Plus. Make sure to include the plus sign. In the results, look for the official listing that says Disney Plus by Disney. This is important because it helps you avoid lookalike apps. You should see familiar branding and a large number of downloads, which is another sign you've got the right one. Tap Install. The app will begin downloading and then install automatically. A stable internet connection will make this go faster, and if you're on mobile data, keep in mind it may use some of your data allowance. If your device is low on storage, you might need to free up space, but in most cases, the download will proceed without any extra steps. When the Install button changes to Open, tap Open to launch Disney Plus. The app will greet you with options to sign in or create a Disney Plus account. If you already subscribe, choose Sign In and follow the prompts on screen. If you're new, select the option to create an account and complete the setup. Just follow the app's instructions, review the terms, and confirm your details as needed. Be sure you're on a private, trusted connection while signing in. After you're in, you can start streaming right away. You'll land on the home screen where you can browse movies, shows, and collections. Pick a title, press play, and enjoy. Everything is handled inside the app, so your library, profiles, and recommendations will appear as you use it. That's all it takes. No APKs or extra steps needed in normal cases. If you don't see the app in the Play Store, it may be due to regional availability, device compatibility, or temporary Play Store issues. In most situations, checking back later or updating your device helps. Thanks for watching. With the Disney Plus app installed, you're ready to explore a huge library of entertainment on your Android device. Enjoy streaming.